guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Demi Bernice. I make videos about videos, freelancing, and digital marketing. Today in this video, I will be unboxing 4 things that I bought yesterday to improve my video production. The reason why I'm showing you this is because I'm not bragging, don't worry. I am showing you this so that you would have ideas on what to buy in the future. If you cannot afford it yet, you already have an idea on how to make your video production set up better. And I have affiliate links in the description because, you know, I'm just hoping that you would click it because we get a commission, like just a little of what you're buying from our affiliate links. But of course, before anything else, logo reveal. So let's go through the very first thing. Ta-da! If you don't have any idea what this is called a reflector. My dad used to be a photographer. He used to shoot weddings. My food is here. As a man, back. I'm so hungry. The food is here, but you know, I'm just gonna finish this. This is gonna be quick. Anyway, so this is a reflector, just like what I was saying. My dad was a photographer before, and I don't know exactly why I didn't think of having a reflector then. That's why in some of my videos, you can see the light on my face is so harsh. So you can always use a good reflector. So this is a circle, and as the woman was talking yesterday, she said these have 5 options that you can use. So I guess this is the black, the silver, and then you open it, there's gold and white, and then there's also this clear white. I guess this one is transparent or something like that. It has 5 options, and the purpose of this is for the light to bounce so that you wouldn't have a very harsh light on your face. So if I'm gonna use a light, I'll have the light bounce into here and then on my face so that it's not very harsh. I bought this for 800 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. It's somewhere around $20 USD. This one is actually from the company named Enovation. I would say it's still Innovation, but it's just differently spelled. It's with an E in the beginning, single N, and it's also very easy to like keep. So you just do that. I remember there were fans then that were circle, and you just put it here. You have the case, put it back up. See, this is the spelling. Innovation, single N, letter E. On to our next item for the day with a starting bid of $20,000. This one, ting! This is Rode Wireless Go 2. I'm currently using the Rode Wireless Go 1, but because I suck at video production and I usually forget to turn on recording for some reason, so this one has internal recording compared to the one that I'm wearing right now. So this is the 2, this is the 1. The 1 only has 2 squares or 2 boxes, which is the transmitter and the receiver, if I'm not mistaken. I don't really know. I think that's the receiver, this is the transmitter, and then this one has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. The receiver is the one that is attached to your camera. I love Rode items. I cannot stress this enough. I'm a Rode fan. Ever since I had my very first microphone, it wasn't actually mine, it was my fiance's. It was Bose's microphone then that I was using, the very first one. That was like my first mic, and I'm like, oh, it's so good, like it's crazy. And ever since then, I've been a Rode fan. And I have my Rode NTG, and I have this also because this is very portable. It's easy to put up. You don't need to set up any boom arm, mic stand, whatever. It's just that it's not as super high quality, you know, but the human ear cannot really identify which of the mics are actually better quality. You know what I mean? Like, it's just really my high standards that are telling me to like really get a shotgun mic that is Rode, but these guys are really good. And these are the guys that I usually recommend for people who are just filming their very first videos. Go get this one. I think I bought the Rode one for 300 bucks and this one is 400. It's not as expensive. Like if you're going to think about it really carefully, would you rather buy a $10 mic that is going to last you probably 3, 4, 5, 6, let's say at the most 20 videos, and then in your 21st video, the lav mic's gonna get ruined in the middle of you filming? Like I can't. I don't want that to happen. So I really highly recommend these guys, whichever, one or two, depends on you, right? But the one is cheaper. The two though has its own recorder, which is nice because if you're like me, a very forgetful person, sometimes I don't even know if I turned on the microphone correctly, if it's set correctly. Sometimes the lighting sucks. My editors probably already know about this, but like I'm the type of person who is just like, if I can do this like this, just what it is for now, I'll do it as long as I can keep on moving. That's my point, you know, like I love to keep on moving. When you open this, guys, this is how horrible I open boxes. I'm so sorry. No, I just open them. Let's go. This is the connectors, if I'm not mistaken. They have two USB to USB-Cs because this is what you're going to use to charge both the transmitter and receiver, right? So you're gonna do that. Oh, it has 3. Makes sense because there's 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So there. This one, oh, it's a long purse now. I'm gonna show you the old purse that I have from One. So this is the purse that I got from One, and this is the purse that you have from Two, which is actually good because you know what? I'm actually having a hard time with this. This is gonna get like super bulky, like this bulky sometimes because the 2 boxes, the 2 squares are here, and then the wires SC3 plus the smart lav mic, because I just don't use them by themselves. My fiance suggested that if I'm going to ever use Rode 1 or Rode 2, I should have my own lav mic because just the squares in itself is not super high quality. But again, you don't need to do what we're doing. This is just us having really, really high standards when it comes to audio quality and video production. Okay, so aside from the pouch, we have this thing here. When you open it, it's like, yeah, so these are the 3 things, 3 squares, I call them, and silica, part of the unboxing. Hey, shake, 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 you shake, shake. And then we have 3 rats. I call them rats. I don't know what you call them, but these are rats. I actually lost my rat for the one. I don't usually use them, but this is like something that you put, I think, on a mic. For some reason, you put that here, so it would look like that. Like a soldier from Buckingham Palace with a really weird hat. So you have 3 of these. I don't necessarily use the rats, by the way. I have a lav. It's under my boob, if you care to know. So I have 2 transmitters right there, two transmitters, which is fun and witty at the same time because Rode Wireless Go 1 only has 1 transmitter, and then Rode Wireless Go 2 has 2 transmitters. It's just very fun and witty to do that. And then this one is the receiver right there. Oh, like some makeup guru. You're like, there guys. And then I'm gonna show you again the transmitters because you might have not seen them. Oh, it's bad. Just if ever you are curious, you probably are wondering, you have so much gear, are you taking them all to the US? Yes. Without a doubt. It's always going to be my cat, my video equipment, and I'm probably just going to bring 5 clothes. Okay, so now I'm putting all of it here, and it's still freaking bulky. Rode, you really gotta do something with your purses, to be honest with you. Like, find us better ones. It looks aesthetically good, but if it doesn't work, why would you even bother? You know what I mean? Everything has to be useful, especially for me. Everything has to be useful. Like, just make sure that it is, you know? Who wants rats? Give you 3 of them. Last but not the least, this is one that I'm so excited about because I have been looking for really good lights. For some reason, I really haven't found a light that is good except the ones that I'm using, the small ones, which are underwear lights. And the problem with that though, those underwear lights that I'm using, they're super small, like legit. They're very small. You probably need to buy 5 of those to even have a decent lighting. Like, it's really good for people who are just, you know, selfie blogging with a very small room, you know, that kind of stuff. But if you're trying to like level up in a really huge video production, or if you really want your videos to look good, just those stuff wouldn't work, you know? So, ta-da! I got LED lights from the same company, Enovation, with letter E and 1 N. Okay, so I'm moving the camera so that it would look better. I have a chair here that would help me with a mission to unbox the double LED fill light from Enovation, Jima. I purposely brought the box. Some of you guys know that I go to hotel rooms like this in order to film my month's worth of videos. I kid you not. I brought the box with me, even if I should probably throw it away. But I just brought it with me because it's called unboxing. What are you gonna do if you're going to bring something, you're gonna show it to people, and you call it unboxing and it doesn't have a box? Come on, man. Wow. 26K ladies, bring down the cases. Okay, we're done. Oh, all right. Okay, so I lowered the mic again because I thought this was gonna be different, but yeah. Alrighty. How am I gonna show this to you? This is like huge ass thing. So this is called Double Arms LED Fill Light Product Information and Instructions Manual. The model is SM18885S. Oh, what is this? Oh my, there's a free mirror. Look. This mirror is so nice. My mom's going to like this. Between me and my mom is more focused on how she looks. I'm sorry, Mom! This is actually a double LED light like this. If I'm not mistaken, you are supposed to do these and that. Oh my god. Bro, I just realized how hard it is to become a tech YouTuber. Not going to do it again, ever. I don't think I can do this. This is what it looks like. So what I saw there from the camera shop, they made the lights look like this. And the good thing about these 2 bars, they're actually super bendy, like you can bend it whatever you want. And these lights can also turn around like that, right? Which I really like because then, you know, I'm all about flexibility and freedom. If I want to move it around, I could, right? Depending on the need. So that's cool. So it's supposed to be like this, like parallel to each other. You can bend it however, you can put it like that, you can put it like this, like that, like that, like that. You can always move it however you want. Now, people ask me if I'm using ring light because they see the light on my glasses. You know how these TikTokers would like film videos and it's like circle around the eyes? I don't really do that. The reason for it is because I just don't like ring lights. It's just so weird looking at those circle things. I'm just not comfortable with them. Ever since then that I started filming, I always bought LED panel lights. And this is so far one of the best purchases that I ever made. This is $110, 5,500 pesos for my peeps in the Philippines. It was supposedly, I think if I'm not mistaken, 9,000 pesos, which is around $200. They put it on sale. So we have here a power supply. I'm gonna put it here, right? Plug it on your nose. The male and female plug. There's this last and final thing, which is the stand that looks exactly like a tripod. This So there's your very horrible unboxing. Not really, not done yet. So we have a holder for an iPad. Like legit, my iPad is as fat as this. Probably works better for smaller iPads. Mine is big. It's an 11-inch iPad, so I don't know if it fits. For TikTokers out there, this is also for you. You have like your own stand or tripod thingy where you can clip your phone in the middle, just like what it is here in the photo. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah, like that. You can put it in the middle while you're dancing TikTok. Didn't even notice you put your ushers on it. You wanna say so? That's our third item. And the fourth item is actually something that I wouldn't be able to unbox because I already unboxed it earlier. I don't have any other tripods. I bought a new one. It's a tripod from Zomei. Chinese brand, I think. Everything is made in China, and please check your friends if they're also made in China. Just kidding. Anyway, this tripod is also very cool because it does a horizontal bar and you can also transform it as a selfie stick. But I'm pretty sure that if I'm going to transform it as a selfie stick, it's gonna be heavy AF, so I'm not going to be doing that. But it's super durable. I have my very first tripod rather, from Benro, and it's only $20, and I kind of regret buying it because my camera is a Sony a7S III. I have an extra lens for like a zoom lens that is so heavy, and when I use that Benro, dude, it's like I feel like the camera's about to fall, like literally, because the body of a7S III already is very heavy, plus the lens, that zoom lens, was like huge, and I put them together and then it's like I'm so scared that I'm using that because I don't know if the camera is going to fall or not. So it wasn't really durable. And this one from Zomei, even though it's a Chinese brand, I bought this for $120. It's a little bit expensive, but I like the idea that it's flexible, it's portable, it's small, it's heavy. But also the fact that it can become a selfie stick when I want it to, and it can do a horizontal bar when I want it to, is just a complete game changer for me, because that means that I don't need to shift to another tripod if I need to. So that one is a no-brainer, unique selling proposition of this tripod for me. I just don't like the fact that it's red, but it's fine. They gave me a very cute purple purse, and this is what it's like. I love purple, and I'm probably going to trademark this color very soon because, you know, it's my color, like, ah! And like, it's legitimately the exact shade of purple that I like. It's violet. Yeah, I'm probably going to name my daughter Violet if my husband is going to say yes. Who knows? But yeah, there you have it, guys. I hope that you have a little bit of a vision on the things that you might want to buy if you want to upgrade your video setup. This is not really for beginners, because when you're a beginner, you have to just make do, okay? Like, don't even make excuses like, oh, I don't have like really nice things, just like the same things like Demi has. No, like, I've been doing this for years, so it's only right for me to upgrade my stuff. If you're a beginner, might as well just make do whatever it is that you can afford. Only when you start making money from your videos that you can actually upgrade to these awesome items. But at least the reason why I showed you this one is that you would have a vision on what to chase for, what to look at, you know, all these things when you are already going to be upgrading your gear. And for the people who are looking to upgrade, of course, we have affiliate links in the description. I will be receiving a little bit of a commission every time you purchase from my link below if that's something that you would want to do. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!